We're here at Las Vegas and we're here in GameWorks. We're here at GameWorks in Las Vegas, and here I have 4 lanes, each with the front 11. And it took me hours and hours and hours to try to get the front 11 on all these lanes for you guys. Oh, wait, stop, no! I have 4 unique IQ tours here, and I'm going to be throwing 1 on each lane to try to complete the 300. So if we have 4 300, that's 1,200. That would give me the highest bowling IQ ever. We're gonna start with the IQ Tour Nano Pearl, the newest IQ from Storm. First shot, first 300, coming at ya. One down. All right, our next IQ is a little bit of a throwback. We have the IQ 30th anniversary from Storm. It smells really good, smells like cinnamon, rolls really good. Definitely the smoothest out of all the IQ Tour Pearls. And hopefully, we can be real smooth with our second 300. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, wow. Get the out of my house, brother. Take 3. Oh, guys. Let's go. You think that's luck? That's just skill. 30th anniversary for 300 number 2. All right, first ball, IQ Tour Nano Pearl. One down, 3 to go. IQ Tour 30. I need some more hold. Okay, I'm composed, I think. First ball. IQ Tour Nano Pearl. $300. Ball number 2, IQ Tour 30. Dose. Ball number 3. Everyone knows the green ball, right? Oh my God, why did you do this to me? Why? All right, our first ball is the IQ Tour Nano Pearl. Starts off strong with a 300. They always say you need a little bit of luck to bowl 300. And you don't always throw your best shots. But we've got the IQ Tour 30 right here. And I'm willing to bet it's gonna be a better shot. Get the 8-footer! Everybody knows the green ball, AKA Emmy. I ain't even mad. I'm a lot out of breath. I don't usually bowl 4 frames every minute and a half. But the fan favorite, gold ball, you love it or you hate it. I love it. It's gonna get the job done and prove why I have the highest IQ in bowling. And that's how you get it done, folks. 1,200 IQ. I've got the IQ Tour Nano Pearl. We're gonna start at the top of the bag. Well, at least for the IQs, this is the strongest one out of the 4. I'll probably throw this one, then the solid, and then the rest of the pearl balls. Technically, this one's a pearl as well, but it's just a lot stronger. Different cover stock. maybe too strong for me. So I'm thinking from as far left as I am, probably gonna have to increase my ball speed. This cover is so strong, I'm gonna have to help it get through the fronts with a little bit more ball speed. So I'll inch as far left as I can without having to get in front of the ball return. Woo! Hooray for good guesses. We're gonna give the original IQ Tour a look now. R2S solid cover stock. It should get through the front of the lane a lot easier than the Tour Nano Pearl. It wasn't my best shot, but to me, it definitely got down the lane. I dropped my speed back down. I think I just need to be a little bit steeper. I could probably get away with getting faster as well. There's gonna be a lot of cases where this ball is gonna be a little more skid flippy than the Nano Pearl, just because of the weaker cover stock. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pick up my ball speed a little bit. There we go. I still think that ball comes off the spot just a touch harder than the Nano Pearl. Same core, a little weaker cover. All right, so we're gonna move into the Pearl R2S IQs. I'm gonna start with the green, the emerald in the current line. What I've learned from other professionals and experts in the industry, that darker colors tend to be a little smoother. So let's see if that's true. All right, so we're kind of getting into a spot where we've been throwing shots all day, throwing a hook a lot in the front, and it's just hard to get through that spot. So I think we're gonna step in front of the ball return and see what we can do from there. We found some more free push in the front of the lane, and if you ever feel like you're getting trapped, there's too much hook kind of in the middle of the lane, you can create hold by getting steeper, throwing the ball to the right faster. Okay, we're gonna go down a notch, the ball that's a little smoother, a little earlier, probably. IQ 30. Now I'm gonna move back to the spot where we throw the first emerald shot, see where it looks from here. And it's still in that same spot, it just doesn't want to get through it anymore, so I think we're gonna be forced to play in front of the ball return for the rest of the video. But for those of you aspiring to be professionals one day, it is a very useful tool. Being able to play in front of the ball return, giving yourself more real estate to work with. I definitely recommend working on it if you plan on going pro one day. Hopefully we can make the same adjustment as the emerald and have the same success. That was a pretty good shot. But they don't always strike when you throw them good. Looked a lot better. But I definitely see it transitioning a little smoother than the green ball. Stone 7, not satisfactory, at least on this channel. But we're gonna try to strike. Let's just keep moving our feet, why not? Another 4. I hope this one hooks back. A little high, but good enough. We can move on. So our final ball in this IQ video, one of my personal favorites ever. I even got it all plugged up, slugged up for you guys, and it does have a weight hole. I haven't thrown this ball in a very long time, but this was my go-to layout on this ball when I was throwing it a lot. I'm not throwing it in competition. I'm throwing it just for you guys in this video. So we're gonna hop in front of this ball return and just let it fly. Woo. Even from there, she's kind of a little too whippy. Probably got to increase the ball speed, but that's no fun. Let's just keep moving left. I'm kind of getting so far left, I forget what board number I'm standing on. I just look at cracks and move off of that. But I'll try to do the math for you. So we got 30 here. 30, 35, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 53. We're gonna go with 53. Gold ball, big curve. Let's go. It's so satisfying when you get those hits, especially from that far left.